Here I got another eBay package. I decided to order speakers again. I like speakers once again, so let's unbox them. I'm going to use a screw to open the package. Just give me a few seconds. Starting to open. There we go. There is the inside. Gotta put some newspaper out of the way. Hopefully there's not other shipping label. So let's take a look at the first speaker. This is an iHome speaker. Take the carrying case off. Start to do with one foot in hand. Trying to grab it with my toes. Don't worry, they're not dirty. I just took a fucking bath. Cunts shouldn't get mad at me for doing that. Yeah, it's just a used iHome speaker. Very nice. They're not terrible. This is better than like a shitty $5 Bluetooth speaker from Five Below. It's a battery powered speaker, so we need like AA batteries. Doesn't seem to power on, or no indicator that it's on. The batteries are dead. Yeah, these are so old. It's not 2016 anymore. That's its usable shelf life. Don't see any corrosion in the batteries from the batteries. Next speaker. Another iHome speaker, I believe. Oh, it's an on Bluetooth speaker. It's not iHome. It's a pretty good brand. It's just a Walmart speaker. Oh, it needs to be charged and stuff.
Power on.
Oh my god, that has bass. Hear that?
Power on.
That's impressive. That's not a shitty speaker at all. Last speaker. This will probably destroy it if it's a Five Below speaker. Live web.
Welcome.
That might be acceptable.
Waiting to connect to Bluetooth device.
Feel the speaker vibrate. I might keep it. It's not bad. Not all black wet speakers, but so yep, that's all the speakers. Thanks for watching.